A C-130 aircraft of the Japan Air Self-Defense Force has landed at the Benito Ebuen Air Base in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. This is for the annual Doshin Bayanihan, a bilateral training between the Philippines and Japan focused on humanitarian assistance and disaster response. The exercise will run until October 11 with 30 personnel from the JASDF and over 100 from the Philippine Air Force participating using a C-130 and helicopter. It features various flight trainings such as simulated airdrop, load-offload training, and subject matter expert exchanges. The Japanese aircraft will also help transport additional aid for earthquake victims in Cebu. This fifth iteration of Doshin Bayanihan marks the first activity covered by the Reciprocal Access Agreement between the Philippines and Japan since its formal implementation in September. According to the Department of National Defense, this highlights the strengthened bilateral defense cooperation and interoperability between the two nations, promoting security and stability in the region. National Security Advisor Eduardo Año considers this a significant milestone, expressing gratitude to the Japanese government for their timely assistance to earthquake victims in Cebu, one of the vital aspects of the RAA when it comes to crisis response. As the RAA now covers the exercise, this year's Doshin Bayanihan is broader in scope and will include night training with the help of Japan's night vision goggles flight demonstration.
You know, Japan has a very good technology, and with this exercise, mas mapapa-enhance natin yung kapabilidad natin. Lalo na pagka magkakonduct tayo ng mga search and rescue na ang setting niya ay gabi.
Meanwhile, 3 Abukuma-class destroyer escorts offered by Japan may soon be acquired by the Philippines. The Philippine Navy completed a joint visual inspection of the said warships in August. The vessels, which have been in service for 30 years, are set for decommissioning in 2027. If the transfer of Japan's Abukuma-class destroyer escorts to the Philippines pushes through, the ship's weapons systems will not be included.
We had it inspected and we submitted the recommendation. Most probably kasi sir, tatanggalin nila yung mga systems doon.
So maglalagay din tayo, missile systems, gun. Pero sayang din, talagang Japan is really probably the friendliest ally to us na lahat ng pwedeng ibigay, tinibigay niya sa atin.
Hindi ho ako nagkulang ng awit sa kanila. Within the same party, there will be a change of personalities. We are assured though of the steady cooperation. Although I will be dealing with a different person.
The Abukuma-class destroyer escorts have capabilities comparable to the Jose Rizal-class frigates of the Philippine Navy, particularly in anti-submarine and anti-ship warfare. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.